What if I told you the secret to better performance was hiding in your salad? Supports blood flow. Artichokes are rich in nitrates and antioxidants that help improve circulation. Better blood flow means better oxygen delivery everywhere, including where it counts. Boosts libido. Ancient Greeks considered artichokes an aphrodisiac, and modern science agrees. They contain compounds that support testosterone and estrogen balance, improving desire naturally. Improves liver health. A healthy liver helps regulate hormone metabolism and detoxify the body. Artichokes contain cynarin, which promotes liver function and keeps your hormones balanced. Reduces bloating. By improving digestion and reducing water retention, artichokes can help you feel lighter and more confident during intimacy. Fights. Fatigue. Artichokes are packed with magnesium and potassium, nutrients essential for muscle function and energy production. More energy equals more stamina. Packed with nutrients, proven by science, and naturally powerful. Add artichokes to your meals and feel the difference. Subscribe for more strange but true health science.